Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, let's try to open this parcel. I think this is already parcel number 7. Okay, so this parcel arrived last week guys, but I didn't have time to open this. So join me in opening this parcel. And by the way guys, I'm gonna read these items. So this is an adjustable laptop stand with phone holder 360 degrees, rotating heightened bracket, and the other one is 7-in-1 computer keyboard cleaner brush, kit earphone cleaning pen for headset, something like that. Okay, so we're gonna open this guys. Use this. So we're gonna try if it will really fit to our laptop guys. So this is what's inside. I hope. I'm quite excited but also nervous if it won't fit. Oh, good. Okay. So look at this guys. This is outside the box. So it says calling bracket for notebook. So I'm quite, it says simple and portable, 8-gear angle adjustment, hollow and fast heat dissipation, then ergonomic design, suitable for different types of notebook computers. Then the product features guys, before we're gonna open, well, let me read you the features of this product. So it says ergonomic design, pad up the height of the computer, more comfortable to use. Triangle support, stable and durable, portable and foldable, easy to carry. The hollow pattern design of the bracket is convenient for notebook, computer heat dissipation. 8-gear angle adjustment, suitable for different groups of people, and suitable for all kinds of laptops and tablets. I hope it will fit. Okay. Alright, so I'm excited to open this. Okay, let's put it this way. Here we go guys. Look at that. But this is, it says adjustable, so maybe we can change the length later on. So I don't know about, why is it here? Okay, this can be taken off. We got this guys. Then we'll follow the procedure. There's no manual, so we'll just follow the one. How did it? So like this. Okay. Like that. can change, you can adjust the, and how about the height? And what is this for? What is this? Like this, guys. I don't know what is this for. Oh, it's aesthetic. And I don't know what is this for. Maybe just a holder. So guys, this is it. So you're just gonna place it like that, and you'll place the laptop on top. So we're gonna try to put the laptop. So we'll get the laptop, guys. It's here. Let's try if it can carry this Lenovo. It's quite heavy. It's ThinkBook. So this. Look at that one, guys. I'm worried. This one. So maybe this one, guys. It seems that it's holding fine. Okay, you can rotate. So the circle that we saw a while ago makes the entire thing rotates. So you can change. Wow. And you can type it here easily. Conveniently, I mean. It's nice. By the way, guys, I'll tell you the price later on. Okay. Next item. So that's it. We can adjust the height. But the one that I used a while ago was not too steep. Second from the shortest. The only thing that I don't know is this. I don't know the function of this for real. Now, next would be this one. So, it says, it's a multifunctional cleaning brush. It's a multifunctional cleaning brush. So instructions for use, you have it here. When cleaning the screen of digital products such as computers and tablets, spray the surface evenly with cleaning liquid. Wipe with a clean polishing cloth on the back of cleaning tool. Take off the cleaning pen, open the cleaning head in half and expose the nib. The nib is used to clean the stubborn dirt in the gap of the machine, and the small brush is used to clean machine granular dirt. Open the folding cleaning head in half to expose the flocking sponge, which is used for clean dirt stains. Take out the key extractor, which is used to remove the keycap of the mechanical keyboard and clear the depth clean internal stains of keyboard. That's my gecko, guys. My pet. Nylon brush can be used to clean the surface ash of keyboard, desktop, and other objects, dust, and garbage. It's English. I was having a hard time to understand it. Well, anyway, let's explore this one. Look at that. So let's check this, guys. So this is what's inside. Look at that, guys. And at the back. So this is the switch. Look at that. So the brush. Then this is, if we're going to open this one, this is the translucent box cover. Look at that. And this is the keycap buckle. Keycap buckle. And the other one is the multifunctional cleaning pen. This is the multifunctional cleaning pen, guys. It has plenty of functions. That's why it's called multifunctional. So you can have this one. Look at that. And you can also have this one as well. Look at that. There's brush with a small one. So next is the spray bottle. Look at this. This is the spray bottle. Very cute. And what else? So this is the flannelette. It says flannelette. So that's all, guys, for this item. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. What else? Okay, so that would be all, guys. No, I've told you that I'm gonna share with you what's the price. So here's the price. Check it out. Okay, so for this, for a moment, for the adjustable, oh, where's that? For a moment, guys. So I get the price now, guys. So this adjustable laptop stand with phone holder. Okay, this is a phone holder. I remember. Now I remember. This is a phone holder. So it is attached here, somewhere here. Because it says it's an adjustable laptop stand with phone holder. So it's this. Maybe something like that. Here, guys. So it's like that. So the phone will just be placed here. See, I found it. We got it. So it's a phone holder. It's nice, very cool. So it's only 145.08, 145 pesos and 8 centavos. but there's no 8 centavos here, so let's say 145 pesos and 10 centavos. And for the 7-in-1 computer keyboard cleaner, this one is 129 pesos and 1 centavo, or just simply 129 pesos. Then together with the shipping fee, which is 70 pesos, I paid for these 2 items for 307 pesos and 9 centavos, or let's just say 308 pesos. Okay, so I'm I'm quite really satisfied with this one, guys. But this one, I'll try. It's my first time, although it's my first time to purchase these items, but I'm super excited with the laptop stand, the adjustable laptop stand, because I really need this, not as much as this one. So anyway, I know that this will still be useful. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit like button, and continue supporting me for all the next videos I'm going to upload. Bye.